Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is neutralisation. Acid plus alkali equals salt plus water. And underneath it's just H plus OH minus giving water. By the end of this you'll know the products, the net equation and why temperature rises. Neutralisation is the reaction between an acid and a base or alkali to form a salt and water. The acid provides H plus ions, the alkali provides OH minus ions, and together they form H2O water. The salt depends on which acid you use. If chloride from HCl, sulfate from H2SO4, and nitrate from HNO3. Three things. 1. Products are always a salt plus water. 2. H plus OH minus goes to H2O is the net ionic equation. 3. Neutralisation is exothermic. Temperature rises in the beaker as the reaction happens. Common slip. Assuming the final pH is always 7, only if exact amounts are used. Excess acid will mean pH below 7. Excess alkali, pH will be above 7. Neutralisation just means an acid-base reaction, not necessarily pH 7 at the end. Quick example, HCl plus NaOH goes to NaCl plus H2O. The net ionic version is H plus OH minus goes to H2O. Mix equal moles and the products are pH 7. Add too much acid and the solution stays acidic, even though some neutralisation happened. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into pH Maths to understand more and practice hard. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic across each subject, with every answer fully worked and every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.